most questions asked by entrepreneurs who come to us, majority of them ask how safe are our ideas with you. That's number one. Number two is, do you take majority stake in the company and dilute us eventually? So to answer that very clearly, we are in the business of venture capital or funding, and we are not in the business of running an entrepreneur's operation. We would invest in the entrepreneur to run the operation. We would guide the entrepreneur to take it to the next level. If we were to take that person's plan and run away with it, we wouldn't be in this game in the first place. So we actually run our operations, and our operations is basically fund, take it to the next level, exit. And that's what we do with entrepreneurs. Venture Engine in itself is a business plan competition. When I say business plan competition, it's not new to Sri Lanka. But the differentiating factor on the Venture Engine is not about awards, it's about funding. So our panel of investors consists of over 200 serial investors from India and Sri Lanka. My partner in this is the Indian Angel Network, who are the largest business angel network in India. It's not new to them. This concept has happened in India over the last 5 years. In fact, when I was talking to the president of IAN, I was told that when they initially started 5 years ago, they had about 100 plans that came to them. Today, they have over 1,000 plans coming to them, and they've invested over 2 billion rupees in India alone. And I'm fortunate enough that they have extended this to Sri Lanka. We launched the Venture Engine on the 1st of March 2012. This is an ideal opportunity for entrepreneurs to put in their plans. Why? Why now? Because they would have access to these 200 serial investors, over 200 serial investors. The other reason is they would have direct access to mentoring from these investors. So that's why I say now is the time to apply, and the deadline for applications is on the 7th of May. So I emphasize again that all entrepreneurs should put in their plans soon to enjoy and benefit from this venture engine. One of the benefits of entering this venture engine competition for the entrepreneur would be that he or she would have direct access to the investors. We would basically be mentoring these entrepreneurs for the next 3 to 4 months, and even after the program ends, they would have access to the entire angel network. And that is, I think, undeniably the benefit that these entrepreneurs would have. They would have access to the serial investors, they could approach them at any given time, and they would also have access to mentoring sessions from any of them, including Blue Ocean Ventures. There have been a lot of questions in the last few months from entrepreneurs asking what are their chances of getting funded? What if they don't reach the top 3 spots in the competition? As I emphasized earlier, this is not about the competition or winning awards. It's about getting funded. So you can be on the 20th place and still get funded, because tomorrow an investor out there might like your plan. So you will have that opportunity to sit with this investor and rework your entire plan and represent it and get funded. So you still have that opportunity. So there is a great chance through this competition to get funded, and it's not necessary that you need to be on the first top 5 or the top 10. You can be 20th or 30th and still get funded. This program applies to people who want to start up a company with a pure business plan, or a company that is looking to expand. So it applies to both, and we will fund anyone, young or old. BOV in itself is a startup. So we just started this company 2 years ago, and we are in the process of funding a few companies. By the end of this competition, I'm hoping that we would have funded about 10 companies. But going back in past, my partner Rajan, who is also the Vice President of Google Inc., brings in a lot of wealth and knowledge from the Indian side. He sits in India as a Managing Director of Google India and is also part of the Indian Angel Network. So he and I have partnered together, and we have individually funded companies to be successful. Just to give you a few examples, in Sri Lanka we have funded Eureka, and in India we funded a small company called Hungry Zone, which started 3 years ago in Bangalore, and today they have the largest online portal for ordering.